Taking advantage of shortcut keys is a great way to streamline your workflow. One great shortcut key is the S key, which pops up when I click S on my keyboard. To modify it, right-click in the S key window and click Customize. Use the menu on the left to find simulation functionalities, and then I can drag the functions I want from the Customize window to the S key window. To add simulation functionality, the simulation add-in needs to be active, and since I am in the part mode, I am only customizing the S key for parts. Here I am adding new study, mesh, run, fixed restraint, force, and gravity, since these are features I commonly use. Now that I have set the S key up as I want, I can easily create a new study using it. I'll use the S key again to apply a fixed restraint to one side. And as you can see, when I hover over the different buttons, I get a text telling me what it is. Then I'll add a pulling force on the other side. Another tip is to write 1.1 E5 instead of 110,000 newtons in the force field. I'll reverse the direction to make it pull. In this case, I'll use the default mesh settings, so I'll just go ahead and run it using the S key again. And as you can see, the mesh is generated and the simulation is run.